CVRA stock analysis and CVRA stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. Savara Incorporated, it's already melting down. Not that it's already melting down. It is 31% performance for Tuesday, which is, bro, it's bad. And I'm here to tell you that when I see an environment like this, the likelihood that this just keeps melting is high. So how can I capitalize on that? Well, you know, I've made 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Most of the money that I make is on the long side, right? I mean, obviously sell side too, but I'm taking like 30-70, right? So like 70% long, 30. So I'd much rather focus on the long side, but even with this thing here, my bias is bearish. Like the likelihood that we keep making new lower lows is high. That's exactly what I'm focusing on. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.